What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in to Stock Essentials. My name is Alex and we're going to be going over some really interesting news that ended up tanking Robinhood stock. As we can see, it's down 7% on the day and down almost 2% in the after hours. But some really important news has came out. It's not really news, it's just rumors. Because we don't know if it's actually going to be implemented or not. So Robinhood stock, it's sitting at just under $43, so very, very close to its IPO pricing of $38 per share. So this stock is down quite a bit from its all-time highs, which was actually $85. So it's sitting almost 50% down from its all-time highs, and it's been slowly selling off throughout the past few weeks. So it's actually at a point where it's becoming oversold, and a lot of people are anticipating this stock to continue dropping. But this is a really good value buy right now, heavily oversold. If we take a look at the charts right here, RSI is sitting at around 17, very, very oversold stock. But there is some really nice support at this 42.50 price point that I do think will rebound if it tests it. So why did Robinhood stock get killed in the market yesterday? They're dropping because the SEC chairman warns on payment for order flow. So he was acknowledging that he is actually for banning payment for order flow. Now, this isn't official. He's not actually implementing it yet, but he is saying that a full prohibition of payment for order flow is on the table. So it is a possibility, and that is a major hit to Robinhood stock for their revenue stream, because they do make most of their money from payment for order flow. So this is going to essentially make Robinhood become less profitable because Robinhood offers free commission trading. In order to do that, they have to look for other sources of revenue, and they do that through mainly payment for order flow, as well as offering a subscription service such as Robinhood Gold. But payment for order flow, they basically they basically get paid to send customer orders out to these trading firms, and these trading firms use this information to trade against Robinhood's customers. So it's a legal practice, but it's not very ethical, and a lot of retail investors are definitely against it. So Robinhood Markets is definitely tanking on this, basically on what the SEC chairman has said, because it is on the table for sure, and that's going to be a big hit to the stock. But overall, we don't know if it's going to be implemented or not, and I do think in the short term, it's not going to occur anytime soon. So I do think that now is a very good dip buying opportunity to make some nice cash in the short term on this stock. As we saw on the charts, really nice support line on this 42.50 strike, and we're going to be utilizing that, but through a variety of option strategies. Now, obviously, you could just simply buy and hold some stocks and then flip it once it increases. Or you could do some other option strategies. Because of this huge spike down, the implied volatility is going to be a bit high. A lot of people are just basically speculating on this stock, and because of that, implied volatility is very high. As we can see, implied volatility is over 100%. In fact, it's 139%. Very high implied volatility, and that is very good for option sellers, because higher implied volatility equates to a higher premium for these option contracts. Because remember, when we're selling option contracts, we collect the premium in order to sell these options. So a $42 strike will yield you $158 of credit, and that is a really high chance of profit, 69% chance. So very high chance of winning, as well as a really nice profit here. take a look at our calculator. Let's calculate how much percent return is going to be. This is assuming it's the September 3rd expiration date. So what we're going to do is the strike price times 100, because remember, when we're selling cash secured puts, we're going to have to put down collateral equal to 100 times the strike price. In this case, it's going to be 4,200. But we actually only have to put down a little less because you're subtracting the premium you're receiving, which in this case, it's going to be 158. So our collateral is going to be just over $4,000. Very, very small amount. Robinhood is a fairly cheap price stock, and selling cash secured puts is something that a lot of you guys can implement in your own portfolios. So if we do 158 divided by 42, we're going to be getting almost a 4% return in just a week, because this contract expires on Friday, September 3rd. So really nice option strategy right here. And if you want to be a bit safer, you could go further down the strike prices. Robinhood's IPO price was $38. If you want, you can sell a $38 cash secured put. Very high chance of profit, 83%. And you're going to be receiving over 1% return in just 1 week. $53 of premium over $3,800 of collateral. But personally, I'm looking at somewhere between probably the $40 strike looks pretty good for $893 of premium. But if you guys want to be safer, you can always go down further in the strike prices. But some really nice opportunity here as a dip buying opportunity. Robinhood stock is heavily oversold on the rumors that the SEC is going to ban payment for order flow, but I don't anticipate it's going to happen anytime soon. A lot of stuff has to go before they can pass something like that, and I do think that Robinhood stock is going to rebound off of this 42.50 support line here. So anything $42 strike or below, I say, is a really nice option strategy. But if you're bullish on Robinhood stock for whatever reason, buying call options is not really what you're going to want to do. Because a lot of people are going to lose money just buying call options. Right now, there's a lot of downward momentum, and I do anticipate it's going to hover around the $43, $45 price range for quite a while. It is in the consolidation phase, as we can see here. I do think that selling some cash secured puts around the $40 strike level is going to be a very profitable strategy for this week. So we will possibly be opening up one of those contracts tomorrow when the market opens. So that's about it for this video. If it helped you anyway, please leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on Robinhood stock as well as the SEC, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.